Experience unparalleled luxury in this stunning estate nestled on over 5 acres of private, premium land. Offering 4,682 square feet of meticulously finished living space, this home features 6 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, and a bright, open floor plan designed for modern living and grand entertaining. The main level features gourmet living and sophisticated lifestyle, a chef's kitchen with gourmet layout featuring stainless steel appliances, a gas cooktop, and a double-wall oven. Intricate marble herringbone tile backsplash, a ceramic farm sink, and premium granite countertops. A homeowner-designed centerpiece island accented with elegant structural corbels. Soft close doors and convenient pull-out drawers in all base cabinets. A 16-foot morning room bump-out spanning at 2 levels, offering direct access to the side patio. Inviting family room located right off the kitchen, complete with a cozy gas fireplace. Flexible layout includes a formal living room, a separate dining room, and a main level bedroom that could also be perfect or a home office. High-end finishes to include gleaming hardwood floors, elegant plantation shutters, and expansive windows throughout. The upper level becomes your private retreat with a primary suite that is a massive, serene sanctuary featuring tray ceilings, hardwood flooring, and dual walk-in closets. Spa-like primary bath equipped with tiled walk-in shower, custom tile flooring, and separate vanities. 3 more generously sized bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms accommodate family and guests. The lower level says the ultimate entertainment hub featuring 9+ foot ceilings and a massive rec room designed for gaming, lounging, and media. Custom wet bar beautifully crafted setup ready to host your next gathering. A private 6th bedroom and a pristine full bathroom. Extra storage room, dual water heaters, and a premium Culligan water softener. Outdoor oasis and exterior features of not disappoint with a custom stone fireplace which is the crown jewel of the backyard, built with premium stacked stone, a majestic tiered chimney, and beautiful custom arches. Let's stop there. Dual cascading waterfalls create a peaceful, spa-like ambiance and ultimate privacy. A 4-foot structural bump-out extends across all 3 levels of the living spaces. A 2-car side-load garage.